This Monetag ad format doesn't require you to display advertisement on your website before you can actually get impression on your Monetag account. And I'm going to be breaking it down and showing you how to actually set this up the right way so you can actually monetize your website with Monetag even without showing ads on your website. And if you don't know about Monetag, Monetag is an ad platform which is meant for publishers to monetize their website, to monetize their Telegram mini app, their social media, their email, their push traffic, and a lot more. Out of all of these platforms which I've already mentioned, the main one which is 100% ideal for monetization on Monetag is your website. As you can show out here, if you have a website where you publish content like your blog website, your tool website, your e-commerce website, when people visit your website, get a certain value or maybe read your content, there should be something that they have to leave behind, which is traffic and impression. Okay, and this traffic and impression goes to your Adsterra or your Monetag if you're monetized with these two platforms. All right, so how do you know that the website is already monetized with Adsterra and Monetag? When you visit that same website, you're going to be seeing advertisements showing up on that particular website. Okay, for instance, if you visit my website, you're going to see some advertisements coming from Adsterra, some coming from Monetag and Zoic, and a lot more. Okay, so for you to get started on this very platform, you need to actually go ahead and sign up as a publisher. So select only the individual and add your first name, your last name, your email address. All right, so after adding that, click on the continue button and also add your website. If you don't have a website, a standard website blog, you have to make sure you go ahead and get yourself a standard website blog. All right, my team of developers can actually help you develop your website and also optimize it for you. All right, so once your website has been added, everything has been added, make sure you log into your account. When you create your account newly on Monetag, you're not going to be seeing this, your account has been verified. They will notify you that your account is not yet verified. Okay, though your website will be monetized for you, but when you receive first payment from Monetag, then your website will be verified. Okay, even before receiving that, you're going to be verifying your account before receiving your payout and a lot of that. Okay, once your account is created, all you need to do is to make sure you go ahead and click on this section that says website. Okay, click on add website from this very section. Okay, then you have to simply provide your URL right here. Okay, the URL of your website, and once that is added, then you have to simply verify it. Okay, once your website is verified on this, click on this section that says add zone. All right, you're going to see we have lot of ad format you can actually add from Monetag to your website, but the normal tutorial you've been watching will actually tell you to go ahead and add this one that they recommended for you, which is multi-tag all-in-one. This is going to simply do you more harm than good, though yes, it can actually give you more CPM. But what is CPM when people are not visiting your website? What is CPM when people visit and bounce back, when you cannot actually navigate your website without being redirected to any other place? So if you don't want those kind of websites, you have to make sure you pay close attention to this very video, right? So this multi-tag, I don't like it because it has pop under, it has on-click ponder and lots more. I don't like this type of ad format. They're going to simply give you higher bounce rate. Okay, higher bounce rate means when people visit, they're going to be taken to another website, and from another website to another website, they won't be able to stay and read your content. Okay, so for you to avoid all of these things, what you need is for people to stay longer on your website, for people to visit and also revisit again, maybe subscribe to your email or maybe join your community. All right, so you don't have to bombard people with a lot of ad before you can actually get impression. No, all you need to do is simply set out this stuff for it to work for you, right? So the best recommended ad format you can actually use from Monetag is push notification. The second one you can actually use is vignette banner. All right, so this vignette banner just appear at the top of your header. Another one you can actually use is the in-page push. All right, but this one right here is going to simply show like notification and bounce back. All right, and that's cool. It doesn't take people to another place, doesn't make people to click where they don't want to click. All right, but the one I recommend mostly is this one right here, which is your push notification. Most of you don't really know how this thing works. All right, so push notification is not going to be shown on your website. Push notification is when people visit your website to read the information you've already offered them, then Monetag automatically will now bring out a notification for them asking them, would you like to subscribe for our push notification ad? All right, so it is now left for them to actually subscribe, say yes and subscribe, or decline it. Okay, and when they subscribe, they are subscribed for life. All right, and they'll start getting some notification from Monetag and all of that. And remember, they can unsubscribe at any moment. Okay, you're not pushing it to them without their consent. Okay, that's the legitimate part of this very ad format, which is also going to simply make you stay compliant with both Google ad, with any other ad you're working with Monetag, and also secure your ranking and also your indexing. All right, so for you to set this up, you need to click on this section that says get tag. All right, when you click on that, then this is going to simply open for you, and you can either download the JavaScript file or you copy the JavaScript code. Okay, so I'm going to be going with the code right here. But once you get your code, the next you need to do right now is to actually go ahead and log into your admin. All right, admin panel. All right, so if my team have already developed your website, monetize it, and also deliver to you, and you feel like adding Monetag as well with this very strategy, you can actually go ahead and log into your account. Okay, just like this. Once you log into your website, just like this, scroll down to this section that says plugin. All right, then click on this section that says add new plugin. Okay, search for WP, then add code to it. Okay, that's WP code. Install this plugin. You can see it is active on this website. Okay, so it's active. All you need to do is simply go ahead and scroll down right here. Once you install it, go to this section right here and click on header and footer. All right, you can add it right here. Okay, you can add it below this one right here. Okay, click on this save button right here, and that is going to simply propel you to start writing content on your website. Okay, so remember, when you publish content on your website, it will attract people. For instance, if you publish content right now and you share it on Facebook and X and other platforms, you get to see people visiting your website, and when they visit, they're going to simply see a lot of notification, including the Monetag notification. All right, you can actually do some keyword research before writing any content. Okay, you can actually use Google Trends. And so if my team have already built your website, they're going to simply also give you some keyword pack and also prompt pack to start keeping your website more active and getting more subscribers to your push notification and all of that. Okay, and for you to get more social traffic to your website and get more people, you need to actually install this plugin right here, which is your Jetpack. Okay, go to your plugin section and search for Jetpack. The next you need to do is simply connect your social media account like your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, your LinkedIn, and lot more. So remember, once you post the content on your website, automatically Jetpack is going to simply push it out to all the platforms you've already connected your account to. All right, we have security, performance, writing, sharing. Okay, under the sharing section, scroll down, you're going to see right here, turn on this section right here that says automatically share your post to social network. Make sure you select this and also click on this tiny button right here that says connect account and configure social sharing. All right, we have our account that's been connected already. Okay, but you can go ahead and connect more accounts. You can connect Bluesky, you can connect Facebook, you can connect Instagram, you can connect LinkedIn, Mastodon, Nextdoor, Thread, and also Tumblr. Okay, so these are where your traffic can actually come up automatically, and this is going to simply help you a lot because you're not going to be stressing yourself going to each of these platforms to drop your post, okay, or to make a write-up. No, automatically Jetpack will handle all of that, and the best part is that the free version helps you to connect all these accounts all for free. Okay, if you have other ads already running on your Monetag, make sure you add push notification. It's very much important. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel, and join us on our Telegram channel for more tips. All right, see you in the next one.